Good morning, all of you. Welcome you guys. Welcome you all. We are doing everybody कैसे हो सभी लोग. I think we are in live. Check this thing. Is audio video is clear or not? Check once, all of you. Yes, we are in live. Yes, fine. Yeah, first of all, and we have great news for the students who are preparing for 2024-2025. So we are conducting this All India mock test, which is on 14th, 21st, 28th January. The 1 to 10 ranks fellows will get 100% of scholarship, and 11 to 20 will get 75% of scholarship, 21 to 30 50%, 31 to 100 25% scholarship आपको मिलने वाला. And utilize these opportunities before it going to expire. The CSE students, their exam timings are 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. It's online only. Now these are the top educators will take the classes, and you do enroll for these classes to get the great features of Unacademy. The top educators will take the classes, and these are the list of books you can have a look at now. The iconic students will get these books for free of cost. Digital DLD, operating system, programmings, and computation TOC, CN, DBMS, CD, COA, and discrete math, algorithm, engineering math, and aptitude. All these books आपको मिलेगा. You can plan your Unacademy subscription with no cost EMI without paying any additional charges. You can able to evaluate, and so minimal within 2 hours you can get the approval, and paperwork, flexible tenures. And so we do have daily scholarships also. You can see the top one rank will get 50% of discount. Utilize these opportunities before it going to expire. Chalo, let's continue our discussions. Now see this thing, last class how many problems we have completed? Last class the 63 problems that we have completed now. Now chalo, let's continue the remaining problems. Now we will continue the remaining problems. Take the next problem. The probability that it will rain today is 0.5, and the probability that it will rain tomorrow is 0.6. The probability that it will rain either today or tomorrow is 0.7. What is the probability that it will rain today and tomorrow also? Means what they are asking to find. Now they are asking to find the, if I say A is the today and B is the tomorrow, P of A intersection B they are asking, isn't it? A is today, B is tomorrow. This we have taken as A, and the B is a tomorrow. Tell me now here P of A intersection B, which is given as P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B, and has given what the probability it will rain today. It will rain today probability given as what, tell me, 0.5, and tomorrow probability given as what, tell me, 0.6 minus, and today or tomorrow both given, that is how much they given, 0.7. So how much the P of A intersection B, tell me, will be equal to 0.4. What's an option? Option D. Next, a single die is rolled 2 times. What is the probability that sum is either 8, neither 8 nor 9? Sum should not be 8, should not be 9. So tell me now here, should not be 8 and should not be 9. So what is this which could be given as, what I can say here, this is, we can write this as P of 8 union 9 whole bar. Now tell me, so that means what I can say, 1 minus P of 8 union 9. Sum should not be 8, should not be 9. Yeah, tell me how much, you tell me. We can say 1 minus, what, tell me, P of sum is 8 minus P of sum is 9 plus P of sum is 8 union 9. So it should be given as what, you tell me. But the probability sum can be 8. Sum can be 8. How many possibilities are there? You remembered. So this is 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. So reverse manner, this is 1 and this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5. So tell me 1 minus 8 ka probability, tell me. How much the probability for sum is 8, you tell me now here. 5. 5 by 36, that is 4 by 36. Inter union कुछ भी नहीं ना, tell me. So what I can say, tell me, which you can say 1 minus 9 by 36. So how much this value, tell me? 3. So this value 1 by 4 na, that is 3 by 36. 9 by 36 which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, which will get it as what, tell me, 3 by 4. Option D. Next one, the probability that a given positive integer lying between 1 and 100 is not divisible by 2, 3 or 5 should not be divisible. इस प्रॉब्लम हमने पहले भी किया. We already solved this type of problem ना. Tell me now here, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 2 between 1 to 100? So this is 100. We know the step function. How much we will get now here? 50. So 100 step of 3. How many, you tell me? Yeah, 33. Next 100 by 5. How much you will get, you tell me now here? 20. Now we need to see this thing which are divisible by these common also we need to see now. Next, now what the LCM for the 2 and 3 is a 6. So means we can say 100 by 6. How much will get, you tell me? Intersection 16, right? LCM. Next 100 by 2 and 5 LCM is what, tell me? 10. Step function. How much will get, you tell me? 10. Next 100 by 3, 5, 15 na? How much this value? 6. Next, what you tell me now? LCM of all. So here, so this is intersection, which will be a 30. How much will get, you tell me now? 3. Okay. Now we need the probability it has to divisible by what, tell me now here? P of 2 union 3 union 5. Tell me now what I should write. That is P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 5 minus P of 2 intersection 3 minus P of 3 intersection 5 minus P of 2 intersection 5 plus P of 2 union, P of 2 intersection 3 intersection 5. This thing formula remembered now? So tell me now P of 2 union 3 union 5, which could be given as P of 2 is how much? 50. 50 by 100. 3 33. 5 20. 2 intersection 3, that is 16. 3 5. So which will be get it as 3 5 is a 6. 2 5 is a 10. Plus this is what, tell me? 3 by how much? You tell me 100. So tell me how much we'll get. So this value will get as 74 by 100. So means what, tell me? 0.74. What is this thing? Then tell me now here. We did this is the probability to divisible by this thing or not divisible? This is for what, tell me? Divisible. This is for what, tell me? For divisible के लिए. Yes or no? But we need for what, you tell me? But we need for not divisible, ma. Yes. Probability for not divisible. So this means what we can say, 1 minus 0.74. How much will get, you tell me now here? 0.26. Okay. We need for what, tell me? Not divisible. 1 minus not divisible. 1 minus divisible will use not divisible. Next. Let S be the sample space and two mutually exclusive events A and B. Exclusive events. So here A union B is equal to S they given sample space. Now the maximum value of P of A into P of B. How much the maximum value of P of A into P of B? They has given a condition is what, tell me? A union B, which is given as yes. If I have taken now here P of A union B, which will be given as what, tell me? P of S now. What is P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. What is the P of A intersection B now here? 1. Sample space probability is 1. So they given that the two events are exclusive. So means what is the P of A intersection B? Tell me. इसमें common तो नहीं होगा ना? So this value A intersection B will becomes what, tell me? 0. So then I will get it as what, tell me? P of A plus P of B, which could be equal to 1. Now this thing which I am calling it as what, tell me? This thing which I am call, let us call this is in the form of something x plus y, which is equal to 1. X plus y, which is equal to 1 if I call. Now they ask him to find some function. F is given as what, tell me? X into y. So I need to have this maximum value of this function. What I should do, tell me now? F we can express it as x into y is equal to what, tell me? 1 minus x. Y is equal to 1 minus x. So then f is equal to will come x minus x square. If I find the differentiate this thing f dash, and so which will be given as 1 minus 2x now here, and will equate it to 0. If if I equate it to 0, x value will come it as what? Tell me, 1 by 2 will come now. X value 1 by 2, x is 1 by 2 means x is now y value is also 1 by 2. And we need what? Tell me now here, the maximum value of the function. So maximum value of the function which could be given as what? Tell me, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which will be a what? Tell me here, 1 by 4. Okay. All of you, is this point clear? If you want to do the some other way, what we can do here, this is the calculus method. If we want to the some other method you want to do, can you do the other method also? So we got the relation is what? Tell me now here, x plus y which is equal to 1. We need to get the x into y this value. As we know here, if I have a x and y are the two variables, can you tell me now here arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is how much? You tell me, x plus y by 2. Arithmetic mean. Can you tell me the geometric mean? That is square root of x into y. Geometric mean is square root of x into y. So we have a relation between the arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So tell me now, what is the condition now here? What is the relation between these two here? Which is greater value? Tell me, arithmetic mean, which is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. You know all of you this relation. Arithmetic mean is always greater than so arithmetic mean is what? Tell me, x plus y by 2, that is greater than geometric mean is what? Tell me now here, x into y. So tell me now what we can say now. If I squaring on both sides, then it is x plus y square by this is what? Tell me 4. This is greater than or equal to x into y now. Means what I can say now, xy is less than or equal to x plus y whole square by 4. So that means xy less than x plus y, we got it as a 1. This is 1 by 4 now. This is the situation. The product of x into y which is less than or equal to 1 by 4 means what the maximum value of xy? Tell me. The maximum value of xy is how much we can say? 1 by 4. Got this thing? Tell me. This is some another method to solve the same problem. Done. Next. Chalo next one. Consider two events E1 and E2 such that they given here. Which are the following statement is true? Yeah, Vishwas. Yeah, I will see. I will consider your request. Don't worry. Right. Okay. So we'll plan in the evening. We'll plan. Don't worry. Now tell me now here. Consider the two events E1 and E2. E1 given, E2 given. What is the first one here? Following is true. Yes. Let us verify one by one option. P of E1 union E2. which could be given as what to tell me now here, P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. So tell me how much we'll get. 1 by 3 plus by 2 now. This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So tell me how much we'll get. How much this value, tell me? 630. So here which will be a 19 by 30. So this is not correct. E1 and E2 are independent. Is it is independent? Tell me. P of E1 intersection E2, which is equal to P of E1 into E2, then we can say independent. Now check for the independent. So what is the P of E1 into P of E2? Tell me. P of E1 into P of E2 could be given as what? Tell me. 1 by 6. These are not equal, so not independent. These are not independent. So option C. Okay. Verify the option D also. Here only we can conclude now. Next. E1, E2 are the events in the probability sample space. They given as like this. P of E1 equal to P of E2. E1 union E2 is 1. E1, E2 are independent then. Now they given that P of E1 union E2. They given as what? Tell me. 1. That means what we can say here, P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2, which is equal. So tell me both are equal. I can say x plus x, and these are independent. So I can say x square equal to 1. So I can say x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0 now. And tell me the roots now here, x minus 2 into x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So this x value will becomes what? Tell me. Sir, what? Tell me. X minus 1 whole square. Now sorry. That means x is equal to what? Tell me. 1. What's the option? Tell me. Hmm. Next. A hydraulic structure has 4 gates which operates independently. The probability of failure of each gate is 0.2. Given that gate 1 has failed, the probability that both the gates 2 and 3 will fail means these are independent events. So if I say what they are asking here, probability of the given gate 1 is failed confirmly, they are asking for 2 and 3 also has to fail, means gate 2 and gate 3 also has to fail now by G1. All of you, this thing we need to find. So you tell me now, this is P of G1 intersection G2 intersection G3 by P of G1. Check this thing, all of you. They given that these gates are operate independently. This what we can write now. Tell me. Yes, P of G1, P of G2, P of G3 by P of G1. P of G1 will get cancelled. That is P of G2 into P of G3, which will be a 0.2 into 0.2. How much this value, tell me? 0.04. Next one. A fair coin is tossed 3 times in succession. If the first toss produces a head, then probability of getting exactly 2 heads in 3 tosses. 3 heads in 2 tosses. Tell me the probability of getting 3 times we have tossed it 3 times. So here how many coins now? 3 coins. What they're saying? First toss produce a head. First one is compulsory head only. The probability of getting exactly 2 heads in the 3 tosses. To exactly 2 required. So if it is head, this is tail. This combination होगा ना. Now this is what we can say head, tail, head. This combination, they given that first one is head and second things may happens. You tell me now here. Both tails and both heads ये भी possible है ना. इसमें हमको this is my favorable or my favorable, yes or no? Exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads are my favorable cases. So what's the probability? Tell me now here. Exactly 2, that is 2 by 4. Excuse me. Done. This is the one way. So the other way, shall we do the long complete method also? This is fine now. If you understand this thing, fine. Otherwise, we'll go the some other method also will do. Yes. Okay. Take this next problem. If a die is rolled twice, the probability that an odd number will follow even number. Odd number will follow even number. Yes, tell me. First one is odd, second one is even होना पड़ेगा, isn't it? So first one is even, next one is odd होना पड़ेगा, right now? What the probability of getting a even number first? Even number first. So that is 3 by 6. And probability of getting odd number. Next, after that, what tell me? This is 3 by 6 independent events only, na? So that is 1 by 4, na? Yes. No, here this they mention as a die, na? With respect to die we are talking. With respect to die we are talking. And so here the die will contain equal number of odd, equal number of even numbers. If it is not equal, then we'll change this now. That's why we cannot directly, I didn't use it. Now tell me, an unbiased coin is tossed 5 times. The outcome of each toss is either a head or a tail. Probability of getting at least one head. Unbiased coin tossed, what, tell me, 5 times. So they are saying that at least one. At least one means 1 minus none we can do now. At least one means 1 minus none. Tell me now here, so that is 1 minus no head. No head possibilities are all tails only. That means 1 by 32. So means what we'll get now here, 31 by 32. At least one head, 1 minus none. Consider a die with the property that the probability of a face with n dots shown up is proportional to n. The probability of the face with 3 dots is, what they are saying here, probability of occurrence of some number which is proportional to n number of dots. Means what is the meaning of this is, if I say p of 1 proportional to, here I can write, we use a constant now here, p of n, which is equal to some k into n, means p of 1 equal to, what I can say, k into 1, p of 2, which is, what I'll mean of, k into 2, and p of 3, which is, what I'll mean of, k into 3. Understood? P of 4, which is equal to k into 4, P of 5, which is equal to k into 5, P of 6, which is equal to k into 6. This condition you understood now? Now what they are saying here, now sigma, sum of all the probabilities equal to 1 now. So means, what I mean of, k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 5k plus 6k equal to 1. How much the value of k? So how much the value of k? That is 1 by 21. Now they are asking probability of the face with 3 dots. 3 dot probability, this is 3k now. Probability of 3 dots, which will be a 3k. So how much we can say now here, 3 by 21. That is, what, tell me, 1 by 7. Next. In an experiment, positive and negative values are equally likely to occur. The probability of obtaining at most one negative value in 5 trials. The probability of obtaining at most, that means maximum one negative value we should be required. How many trials? 5 trials. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So tell me now, maximum 1. So means all positive chalega. All positive. This is one combination. And so then here it may be a, at most here, this is positive, this is positive, 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 here negative. At most 2. Yes, only this is the possibilities. Tell me how many ways we can arrange them. This is, we can do one way. This we can do only one way we can do. And this is how many, tell me now, 5 factorial by 4 factorial. So this value, how much you tell me now, 5. This is 1. Total how many? 6. Total how many? 6 possibilities. Right. Now you tell me now here what we can see. equally likely for probability occurrence of positive and negative. So how much you tell me equally likely now? That means equal probability 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into how many combinations? 6. So tell me how much we'll get? 3 by 16. Check karo. This is the one way. And what's the other way you can do here? Binomial theorem. 6 by, yeah. Next, what is the other way we can do? We can do the binomial theorem also we can use now. Tell me now which is given as NC naught. Means N is a 5 now. Means what I can say 5C naught into 1 by 2 whole power 5 plus 5C1 into 1 by 2 whole power 4, negative is 1 by 2 power 1. So this also will come same. 5C naught means 1 na? 1 by 2 power 5 plus 5C1 is a 5 into this is 2 power 5. Will come it as what will be 6 by 32. That is what will be 3 by 16. Same ही तो आएगा. So ये कंटिन्यू होगा ना, ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद आफ्टर 100 प्रॉब्लम्स वी कैन डू. Mostly next class we can start random variables. Okay. Next class tomorrow we'll start the random variables. A unbiased coin is tossed an infinite number of times. The probability that fourth head appears at the fifth toss. Head will appear at the fifth toss means how many times? Infinite number of times, na? Fourth head appear what will be 10th toss means what will be इसके पहले head हुआ. These are 3 heads have happened. Next the condition is what will be next fourth head must be somewhere 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th toss must be head only. Now here this thing, what's the condition they given now here? These 3 heads are there ना. This can be happens anywhere. इसीलिए मैंने क्या किया, इसको सारा ग्रुप बनाया. And this is one group. This must be in the same place only. This place we should not disturb our 10th place only. And but lekin so we can able to shuffle them, these fellows now, tell me. But we can shuffle them here, this thing. How many ways we can shuffling can be done here? This is 9 factorial by, so 3 factorial into how many? 6. 6 factorial. Tell me how much this value? How much this value? Will be given as 9 into 8 into 7. 6 factor will get cancelled. 3 into 2. Tell me now 3 threes. 2. How much this value, tell me? 84. How much this value? 84. And tell me now probability of occurrence of this head is, tell me now here, which is 1 by 2 power 10 into what, tell me now? 84. How much will get this value, tell me? How much is value? 84 by 1024, no? 84 by 1024. This value. Nearly 0.84 will come, I think so. 0 point, isn't it? Nearly, you can see here 0.08 something will come. Check it out. Nearly we can take denominator as 1000, we can take nearly. So means this might be the option. Next. Consider an unbiased cubic die with opposite faces colored identically and each face colored red, blue and green. Red, blue and green such that each color appears only 2 times on a die, on the die. If the die is thrown thrice, the probability of obtaining red color on the top face of the die at least twice. Okay, red is required. So means what, tell me? And what's the probability of getting the red, you tell me? By 6. Two sides we have red color na, so that is 1 by 3. And what is the probability of not getting the red? That is 4 by 6. Maybe blue or green may come na, that is what will be 2 by 3. Next. So what they are saying here, we need to get what, tell me? Red must appear at least twice. Here we can go for binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. Tell me now here. Since occurrence not occurrence equal to 1, so we can go for binomial theorem. So tell me, we need to get what, tell me now here? Red must be minimum 2 times. Minimum twice, 2 times plus red is 3 times. वो भी चलेगा. So you tell me now what we can say. 2 times probability, that is 3C2 into red probability 1 by 3 whole square 2 by 3 power 1 plus 3C3 into 1 by 3 whole cube and 2 by 3 power 0. Okay, simplify now here. 3 into what I will get now? 2 by 3 cube as 1 by 3 cube. So which will get 7 by 27. Amma this value you can see 7 by 27. Okay. A coin is tossed 4 times. What is the probability of getting heads exactly 3 times? Exactly 3 required. Head, head, head. This should be tail. This is the only one possible combination. कोई दूसरा combination possible होगा क्या? Any other combination possible, you tell me? नहीं ना. So this is 3 factorial. So how many ways you tell me now? 4. So tell me now probability. So it is 1 by 2 power 4 into 4. So 2 2's will get cancelled now, 1 by 4. Next, the probability that a thermistor randomly picked up from a production unit is defective is given as 0.1. Three are defective. Three are defective. Defective probability given as what, tell me? 0.1. Not defective probability is what, tell me? 0.9. They are saying that 3 are defective means exactly 3 defective. What the meaning of the 3 defective means exactly 3 are defective. Tell me now here. 3 defective probability. What I can say, tell me? 10C3 into what, tell me? 0.1 power 3, 0.9 power 7. So this is 10 into 8 by 3 into 2 into 1. This is 0.1 power 3 into this is 0.9 power 7. Simplify, get this answer. How much? 0.057. A lot has 10 defective items. 10 items are chosen randomly from this lot. The probability that exactly 2 of the chosen items are defective. 2 of the chosen items are defective. 10% is defective means what we can say, this is 1, and not defective is what, tell me? 0.9. 10 items are chosen at random from this lot and exactly 2 are defective means what we can say now here, 10C2 into 0.1 power 2 into this is 0.9 power 8. So tell me how much we'll get. 10C2 means 10 into 9 by 2. This is 0.1 square into this is 0.9 power 8. How much this value? 0.1937. Check this value. Check for calculations. You can do it now. Next. The probability of an event B is P1. The probability of an event A and B occurred together is P2. While the probability that A or B occurred together is P3. The probability of event A in terms of P1, P2, P3 is. They are asking to find what element of P of A union B, which is given as what, tell me? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. We need to find P of A. This value given as P3 na. This is given as what now? P3. P of A we need to find plus P of B, that is given as P1. A intersection B given as a P2. So that means what is the P of A, you tell me? That is P3 minus P1 plus P2. So कौन सा option, tell me? Option D. Next, the probability that a new airport will get an award for its design is given as a 0.16. The probability that it will get an award for its efficient use is a 0.24. It will get both awards. What the probability that it will get one of the two awards? Means what, tell me? Only one. Exactly one. Exactly one means what you tell me now here? This is P of A intersection B bar plus P of A bar intersection B. इसमें केवल एक ही चाहिए. That is nothing but we can say, remembered, A intersection B, which could be given as what, tell me here? P of A minus P of A intersection B. This is what, tell me? P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now tell me now here, this occurrence, these are independent of each other now. So what we can say now here, P of A plus P of B minus 2 into P of A intersection B. And so this is given as what, you tell me? P of A is how much? 0.16. P of B is 0.24 minus 2 into what, tell me? Intersection given 0.11. Simplify, tell me the answer. 0.16 plus 0.24 minus 0.22. So how much this value? So here they given this as a common thing is given now. The probability that it will get the both the awards P of A intersection B given, that means these are not a independent events now. If it is independent, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. But these are not independent now. If you multiply these two, those are not equal to this much. Isn't it? 0.16 into 0.24. How much will get? 0.038. It is not independent. Here A and B are not independent. Now, next problem. A jar has 5 marbles, one of which colors given red, white, blue, green, yellow. If one marble is removed, one marble is removed, one marble is removed from the jar, what the probability that the yellow one is removed? Yellow one has to be removed. Tell me what we can do here. Only one is removed. So how many marbles are there, you tell me? We have red color, white, blue, green and yellow. इसमें एक लेना पड़ेगा. So the probability is, tell me now here, that is 1/5 ना. Next, A jar contains 4 marbles, 2 red, 2 white. 2 marbles are chosen at random if P1 is a probability that the marble chosen are of same color. P2 is a probability that marble chosen at different colors. Then, okay, so find out the both probabilities and we'll compare them. They are saying that 2 red are there and 2 white are there. Ismail, let us assume that we'll choose the both are same color. P1 is the same color. So tell me now P1 for if you are taking the red probabilities, what tell me? So here that is 2 by 4. Next red probability is what tell me? 1 by 3. White probability 2 by 4. Next one is also white only, so it is 1 by 3. So how much will get to tell me? 4 by 12, so which is given as 1 by 3. Now second case is what are different marbles. P2 is what we are doing here. First I am taking it as a P2 is a which marble? Let us say red marble 2 by 4. Next one is 2 by 3 white plus white के लिए 2 by 4. Next red के लिए 2 by 3. So the P2 is what we can say here 4 by 12. So it is 8 by 12. So you can see now here P2 is equal to 2 times of P1. P2 is how much? 2 times of P1 na? Option C. Right. Yeah. Completed all of you? Next. 7 accidents occurred in a week. What the probability that they all will occur on the same day? So this type of situation I have given some trick also. Probability which is given as what we can say here, that is a fixed power variable, like a nail power calendar. Which is the fixed value, tell me इसमें? Which is the fixed value, tell me? Chances. This countings now here. So here these are what sample space we can say. This is N of S. What the N of S you tell me? Sample space क्या होगा? The possible combination now here 7 accidents they can occur. So here in this case which are same you tell me now here. So so days are fixed and then accidents can happen, it can be. So it is tell me now N of S which is given as 7 power 7. SR now tell me. And what is this as N of A you tell me? Occurrence. Means all the accidents may occur in the, so he all occurred on the same day. All the accidents may occur in the Monday. Monday occurrence probability is what, tell me? 1. So here like this we can choose now, tell me probability which could be given as Monday chances are 1 by 7. Tuesday chances are how many probability? 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7, 7 power 7, 1 by 7 power 7 plus 1 by 7 power 7 plus 1 by 7 power 7. So this value 7 by 7 power 7. So which will get us 1 by 7 power 6. Okay. Days are fixed. Variables are what you tell me? Accidents are like a nailed power calendar. If you roll a die, what is sample space you tell me? Roll a die. Let us say if I roll a die, so that is what if I roll a one time die, so then tell me sample space what I'll get? N of s is 6 power 1. If I roll it two times, so here 6 square, 3 times, what should be now 6 cube. Understood what I am saying here? If I roll a die is 100 times, N of s is what we can say 6 power 100. So those 1 to 6 are fixed. Number of times we roll, those are the variable. That's why fixed power variable. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's for the today's session and we'll meet in the next class. Okay. Okay then.